If you're new to gardening, you might keep hearing the term pollinator or pollinator garden and wondering what exactly that is, so let me just break it down for you in this super quick video. A pollinator is anything that helps to bring pollen from one area to the other. So think about your fruit trees, your vegetables, and obviously your flowering plants. Bees are probably one of the most well-known pollinators because we think about honey. Butterflies are also really common pollinators that you may not think of as a source, but they fly from flower to flower, and this helps to move the pollen. So when you're talking about a pollinator garden, it's when you specifically plant things that you know are going to attract these pollinators to your yard, to bring them a home, a place for food, and to also attract them in to help with your vegetables and your fruits. Zinnias are one of my favorite varieties to plant in the garden. They're very low maintenance, they're very bright, and they bring in such a variety of pollinators to the garden. But anything that flowers will bring in your pollinators. These are my marigolds, and you can see these little butterflies are just living their best lives around them. So what do pollinators actually do? Most of your fruits and vegetables have a male and a female part, meaning they have to be pollinated to produce the actual food. So a pollinator's job is they go from flower to flower and move that pollen and pollinate everything, or they fertilize everything so that that fruit actually comes to fruition. This is one of the main reasons that I do not use pesticides. I will use diatomaceous earth on my winter crops because nothing is pollinating those, but anything that's going to require pollination, I just give some up to the bugs and let my pollinators do their job. So just try to remember that our pollinators are our friends, and it is such a great way to be a good gardener and give back by giving them a little space that they will enjoy as well. So grab a pot, plant a little seed, and help to add to this ecosystem that we're all going for. Gardening is so much more than just growing flowers. It's really supporting our little natural friends out here and helping to grow food for all of us.